Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it's gonna be a little book collection video, and it's all of my baby's books that I've gathered or bought. People have just given to him since he was born, before he was born, and I just want to show you guys my collection. First of all, I just bought these two from Dollar Tree today. So I found the Aristocats and Bambi. These two are new, just purchased them today. I found that every time I go to Dollar Tree and find these books, they always come in sets of two. They always bring two together, so I'll show you guys more of what I mean. So first of all, I'm gonna start with the ones he got for his baby shower, which were these two right here. These were purchased at Ross. I've seen them there. I think they go for $2.99. This one is Just You and Me. And then Sebastian's favorite, Our Love Grows. He loves this one. I read it to him every day and he just goes crazy for it. Next is the little golden books. This one I purchased for him when I was pregnant. I got this one at Michael's for $5 plus tax. My sister-in-law, my little sister purchased Peter Pan for him, and I got him The Lion King. This one was also $5. And then for Easter, my little sister also got him Trolls, and it's also the little golden book. I want to get him more of these, but every time we go to Michael's, they have a little bit of books or none at all. Next is this one. My cousin gave this one to him just because. It was just a gift from her, just random, nothing special, as in it wasn't a special occasion, it was just because. And these are just rhymes, so that's pretty cool. I purchased these for him at Ross. I think it's gonna be really good for when he starts to read by himself. It's just a collection of board books. So I really like this one. It's perfect for him when he starts to when he starts to read. Comes with 12 of them, and it's a really cute box too. You can take it with him, so that's nice. I'll just show you guys a few of these. Rocky Recycles, just a few little pages, easy for him to read, right? Next, he's reading right now, by the way. Next is this big Monsters Inc. book. It was also an Easter present from my sister-in-law. I'm not sure where she purchased this one, but it's huge. I've only been able to read a few pages for him. Hopefully when he gets older and he understands more, I'll be able to read more of this one for him. Next, I'm gonna go for this little pile. This is all I've gotten at Dollar Tree. And first we have these little books. This one is the Disney Frozen. I have the Dory, Finding Dory. Inside Out. And then Bedazzling. I found all of these at Dollar Tree. The ones that I get really excited about are those though. But right before I show you guys this collection, I'll show you guys just these two, which is more board books. And there's the Toy Story ones, The Lion King, and Bambi. So these are going to be good for when he starts to read on his own also. And I've shown you guys these in my hauls before. Last but not least, it's these Disney books also. So today I purchased this one, and they had a whole bunch of these and a whole bunch of these. So what I mean when they come in pairs is they usually bring a box. It has just two books. So these two came together. And this is Aristocats and Bambi. So then a different day I went and I found Dumbo. And I believe it was 101 Dalmatians. So I'm not too sure how I found them, but these are so cute. And they're small books, so they're easy for me to read for him right now since he's small. He doesn't get too bored. Bless you. And there's the 101 Dalmatians. So I have that. Then I have the Lion King in this one, as well as the little board book and the golden book. But I mean, it's Lion King. Nothing wrong with having a couple of those. And there's also Peter Pan. So I have those two. Then there's Robin Hood and Pinocchio. These two also came at the same time, so I got these at the same time as well. I plan on keep looking for these because I just think they are so cute, and they'll be good for when he starts to read as well. And it's just good to have them around. So I have those two. And that is all for his collection so far. I know I'm gonna keep looking for more of these, so I'll keep adding on there and make his collection bigger. But these are all his books so far.